Have you ever wondered where the buzzing houseflies in our homes come from? Although they may seem small and harmless, houseflies have a fascinating life cycle. In just a few weeks, they grow from tiny eggs into fully developed flying insects. Today, we will follow the complete journey of a housefly from egg to adult and discover why keeping our surroundings clean is so important. Let's begin. The life of a housefly begins with an egg. After mating, a female housefly searches for a suitable place to lay her eggs. She usually chooses warm and moist places with a lot of decaying matter such as garbage dumps, animal dung, spore food, or compost heaps. Now, a female housefly can lay between 75 and 150 eggs at one time over her lifetime. She may lay as many as 500 eggs as well. The tiny eggs are white and shaped like a grain of rice. Although they are very small, they contain everything needed for a new housefly to begin developing. If the weather is warm, the eggs hatch very quickly, usually within 8 to 24 hours. When the eggs hatch, tiny larvae commonly called maggots emerge. Maggots have soft cream-colored bodies and no legs. They cannot see, but they are excellent feeders. Their only job is to eat and grow. They feed continuously on decaying materials, absorbing nutrients that helps them develop rapidly. So as long as the maggots grow, they shed their outer skin several times in a process called molting. Now, each molt allows them to become bigger and stronger. During this stage, they avoid sunlight and remain hidden in moist places where food is abundant. About 3 to 5 days of feeding, the maggot has grown to its full size and ready for the next stage of its life. The fully grown maggots now move to a dry, protected place. Here, it forms a hard outer covering known as a puparium. This is called the pupal stage. Although the pupa appears inactive from the outside, incredible changes are taking place inside. The maggot's body breaks down and reorganizes into the body of an adult housefly. During this amazing transformation, wings, legs, compound eyes, antenna, and other adult body parts develop. This process is called metamorphosis. Depending on the temperature, the pupal stage usually lasts between 3 and 6 days. Finally, the adult housefly emerges from the pupa. At first, it is soft, pale, and unable to fly. But over the next few hours, its wings expand and harden while its body darkens to the familiar gray color. Once fully developed, the adult housefly begins searching for food. It feeds on sugary substances, decaying materials, and many other types of food. Houseflies cannot chew solid food. Instead, they release digestive juice onto the food to dissolve it into a liquid, which they then suck up. Within only a few days, the adult becomes mature enough to reproduce. The female then lays another batch of eggs and the life cycle begins again. The housefly's transformation is an example of complete metamorphosis, a remarkable process in which it changes completely from an egg to a larva, then a pupa, and finally to an adult housefly. Every buzz has a beginning. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and follow for more amazing science adventures. See you in the next one.